Okay, today we are going to be making watermelon soap with one of the most amazing fragrance oils ever, which is watermelon sugar from Brambleberry, which is a new fragrance. So I have my melt and pour already cut up. This is, I believe, a 42-ounce mold. Let me see how much I have here. This is 17.5 ounces, 15.7, so 17, 32, oh, and this is 20. So I think I have more than I need. So, all right, first we're gonna start off with the green base. You could use clear or you could use a white base melt and pour. I'm gonna go with a white. So this is actually a triple base. It's goat milk, shea butter, and mango butter. So I'm gonna take the smaller, the less weight of the two for the bottom, and I'm gonna heat this up, and then I will be back. Okay, real quick, I'm gonna make the seeds. Oh, I need to heat this up some more. You can use poppy seeds, or I'm just gonna make these little silicone balls and then cut them up. Color this black real quick. And make a few balls. Moving on to our first layer. So I'm gonna add some of this like lime soap coloring, a couple drops, and I think I am also going to try some of this green color shift mica. Let's see what it looks like. I don't think that's green enough. So I'm gonna add a couple more drops of the liquid colorant.
I need more energy.
Okay, let's add the amazing fragrance oil. I usually put like 3 pipettes, which are 3 mLs each, in a big one like this. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and pour that in. It's got a lot of bubbles, which is my fault. So we're gonna wait a few minutes for this to harden, not to where it's completely hard, but just hard enough so that our next layer won't break through it. So I'll be back. Okay, so this isn't completely hardened, and I'm afraid if I were to pour this in just directly, it would break it. So a good tip is to take a spoon or a spatula. Oh, hold on, I need to put the fragrance oil in first. I'm just kidding. So this is gonna be a small layer, so I'm just gonna put like 6 mLs of fragrance oil in. Okay, so I'm gonna pour it on top of the spatula. So now we will spray that with our 99% alcohol Okay, so now we are going to add our last layer. I still have a chunk that is dissolving in there. So for the seeds, I ended up cutting these into 4. So I'm gonna put a few down right now, and then I'll put the rest down when the soap thickens a little bit so that it can be suspending in the top layer. So my green is poking through a little bit, which I'm okay with because I mean it's supposed to be a watermelon, and lines in watermelons are not going to be exactly perfect, so I'm okay with that. For the top layer, I think it looks cooler when you use a pink, so I'm going to use this bright pink mica and load her up. And even though I haven't been showing it, I am pouring these layers in when the temperature is around 130 to 140 degrees. All right, let me add my fragrance oil to add some more pink. Oh, that's not thick enough yet. There we go. That's what I wanted. So now I'm just going to let this thicken up a little bit so I can add the rest of the seeds and then let it harden, and then I'll come back and show you guys what it looks like. Okay, so our soap loaf is hardened. We are going to unmold it here. Oh, shit. Okay, here is what it looks like. So, okay, so here is what the finished soap looks like. Let me get another view. So now what I will do is I will run these under some warm water to kind of get any soap residue off and make the colors really vibrant. And then I just wipe the edges off with a paper towel, let it dry, and then I'll package it. All right, guys, I hope you enjoyed this watermelon sugar summer soap tutorial. I will see you later.